So guys, this is the place where the cemetery is. Mami, pagdating na ka. Run! O pagdating na ka. Stop. Oh my God. Nag-irong Ma! Nag-irong!
Missing someone without you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video and welcome to my YouTube video. I am Princess Apple and for today, as you can see, we are walking and we're gonna deliver these parcels to our customers because we have Hi guys, hi. Welcome to her vlog. Welcome to my vlog. So, So we need to deliver this because I'm wearing a jacket. Oh, sorry. We need to deliver this parcels personally because we don't have any delivery man. Char. We're gonna walk. Alam nga naman ulupad. I'm gonna turn over Francis vlog. Oh, light. Guys, it's so muddy. As you can see. Bro. Hi, say hi to the vlog. We just finished delivering the item of our first customer. Okay naman tingali good. Oh, come on. We are going to Binabay to deliver this. So guys, this is the place where the cemetery is. Mami, pagdating na ka. Run! O pagdating na ka. Stop. Oh my God. Nag-irong Ma! Nag-irong! Ayaw naman. So let's continue. So guys, wait. Uy, kaalig rin ba? May narinig kasi kami guys na like parang umiiyak kaya tumakbo kami. Run! Guys, there are so many dogs here and I'm freaking out. I didn't film the second customer because of some other reason. We need to go to our third customer. Guys, we are going to our next stop, which is Mom Jessimer's house. We got an umbrella already because kumuha kami ng payong sa bahay. That was Josaphat. I forgot to say Merry Christmas because it's already December 9. Dapat nag-greet na ko atong Look! Ngadlok man ko sa sakiran man ang tikilid ko. That is Mom Jessimer's house. Go! Opo. So guys, wala po si Mom Jessimer sa bahay nila. So, pupunta na lang ako dito sa Kalinangan High School.
Yes.
Kasi may order ako ni Renz na Bluetooth
Nana siya?
earphones. Oh. Pag-hi sa vlog.
Haggard na kay kong face dye.
Uy, murad dyan dahil kung lucky. Uy, akong gipas arik. We have similarities. Isa to. Sige, Eric. Vlog update. Dadaan na naman po kami sa putik. This is our last customer. Now we are going to elementary school because wala kasi si Ma'am Jessimer sa bahay. Kaya pupunta kami sa elementary school kasi teacher siya doon. Isa siya sa mga teacher doon. Guys, nagsimula na pong umulan. So we had to hurry up kasi yung last na lang namin pupuntahan is elementary. Sige na kung balik-balik. How many times? How many times do I have to tell you that we are going to elementary? Look at the weather. It's so gloomy and it's raining. I hear that there are some low pressures and yeah, mini river, mini pond. No, that is a pond. Dirty pond. That is the true Imbornal. Look at that. So di na kanal. That's kanal. That's kanal. That's not Imbornal. Na. Imong gibali. That's not Imbornal. That's kanal. You say that to my first vlog. Bro. Gigutom na magugugod mo na wala ko'y gana mag-vlog. We're already at the Kalonangan Elementary School to deliver the last item, which is from Mom Jessimer, and I'm so hungry and I'm so tired. So while my cousin is going to my auntie, I'm gonna deliver these. Finally, this is my room when I'm grade 6. Good afternoon, Mom. Look at that. That is our school stage. That is our auntie's classroom. We're gonna go in. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. My auntie is doing some module. Dapat mag-English kaya basta ko lang dahil na yung mga foreigner nga ka na ang viewers, Jar. Guys, I'm gonna tour you into my auntie's room. This is the students' output. This is the grade 4 classroom. Look at that. This is the project. Look, it's so beautiful. It's so nice. Their masterpiece is just too good. Look at that. I know this. This is from arts. Never mind. But I know that it's from MAPI subject. Look at that. This is our teacher Elma, the teacher of grade 1 class. So we are going home and look at that. You need to use alcohol for safety, guys. So we are going home now. So that is the canteen.
Wala, I miss this place.
Dira pa ta Arik. Umigas. Kasakit. Like it's already Look at that. Look. Look at that. Wait, let me just... Oh! Huh? What's ang output? I already saw it. That is our home. And wala din ko kakuhang pagkaon. Ano ka nakuha? Lakaw! Sige na lang. Nakuha ka. Kaya wala nagpita ko. Ano ka kaon ko? Nagikapoy na. So guys, inaantay ko po yung si Princess dahil kumuha siya ng pagkain. Princess is coming. Here we go. Faster. I'm hungry na. What's that? So this is the church. And that is our house. Hello, chicken. Hello. Okay. Let's go. Guys, I'm already at my room and that's all for today's video. I hope you like it and please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos.